Refreshing, easy mandarin salad with sesame. Choose one medium mandarin into a glass bowl. Add 1 dash of mustard powder, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, dash of salt, a dash of white pepper. Now mix well to dissolve the honey. Add 1 tablespoon of apple vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 clove of pressed garlic, now mix well. Toss in the salad, washed and ready mixed, and then mix it with the sauce from the bottom upwards. Grind in a small piece of fresh ginger. Toss in roasted sesame seeds. Garnish with small sliced mandarin and enjoy your salad.